What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to put the convertible top down on a Ford Mustang. This is a 2020 model here, but it will be the same on several different years. So I've got the car in the on position. It either needs to be running or on. Then if we look up at the ceiling, we're going to see this handle right here. Fold it down, and then we're going to twist it to the right or clockwise. And twist it until you feel it pop up just a little bit. And now we're going to hold this button down, and we're going to continue to hold it down the whole time that the top is rolling down. And while we're doing this, it's going to roll the side windows down, and then it's going to go ahead and retract the top. So that's it. Pretty simple. To put it back up, you'll just reverse everything we just did. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.